Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be playing with the Easter basket. Well, I'm going to do a project share. I'm going to show you guys what I created. This die is so cute, guys. You're going to get so many pieces. First of all, I love that it came with these two plastics because I don't have to use a magnet. I can just store them inside here, have them both here within this one envelope. So I love that you did that, Anna. Let's talk about the accessories in this thing, guys. This thing is so cute. First of all, it makes a Easter basket. Let me show you guys the basket. This is what I created. I did a decor piece for my table. So I just created the box. I did some embossing with a butterfly bow. I use a little bunny die, and I cut that out of each one. And then I dressed the inside with paper. And I just use this cute little candlestick holder that you get from Dollar Tree. I was going to paint it, but I decided to leave it glass. I think it makes it look like a little fancier. And I just put some of my ribbon and a cute little bow. And so you can put all kind of things in here and display it as decor for Easter. So let me show you guys what you get. You're going to get this base piece. It's in here. And you get a layering piece for the base. You're also going to get the main piece to create your basket, guys. And this is how it looks. You're going to go ahead, you're going to cut 4 of these. And you are going to cut off the tab of each one, okay? So each piece should only have 1 tab. And you're going to go ahead and glue that together. You know, that's going to be glued to the base. And then this tab is going to be glued to each side. You also get a layering piece for the grass. And I could have totally cut this out and put it on my book. I'll show you guys the book in a second. So these are from mycraftingworlddesigns.com. You guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And I will have a playlist listed down below so you guys can check out the other dies that she has available. All right, so that's to put your basket together. And then you get all these accessories, you guys. Really, really cute accessories. I'm loving the fence, all of them, the bunnies, everything. So you get 2 fences. You're going to get these pieces here, which are going to emboss some Easter eggs for you. And then you're going to get these, which are going to cut them out, okay? And you also get these cute little bunnies, guys. These little bunnies are so adorable. This is what I use to cut out the pieces in my basket. And I love that you can have them facing in either direction. Okay. So really cute die set, you guys. I'm especially loving the accessories to the set. I wanted to create some embellishments with the fence, but I didn't get a chance to. I created the basket, and I wanted to share with you guys a little embellishment book folder that I created using some of the dies in the set as well, okay? So not only can you make that cute basket, but there's just so many different options and possibilities on things you can create. So this is how the bunnies look. Look at how adorable they are, you guys. These are the negatives from the basket. And then I created this cute little embellishment book, guys, and I just used the base and the layering piece of the base. So here's my cover. Look at the side, really cute. And then you open it up and it's a folder. I put some of these bunnies right here. I'm not sure if I want to decorate right here yet, but you can easily fit some goodies in here. I should have got some things ready. Here, I have some bow cutouts. So you can put these like in a cute little basket. Some die cuts would be cute in here. Some jemmies. Some embellishments. I was going to make some embellishments with that fence, but I decided to decorate the front with it. So you can tuck in some really cute little embellishments in here or cutouts. And I just cut a little pocket for here. And that's it, you guys. I thought this came out so cute. So not only do you get this really adorable basket, but you can create a little book or do so many different things with the other die. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys go check out My Crafting World Designs. Once again, use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And let me know what you guys think about my projects. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.